Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are reviewing the BeautyBlender Power Pocket Puff. Before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of videos coming out very soon. Alright, let's go ahead and jump right in. I saw this in Sephora when I was picking up a beauty blender and I had never seen this before, so I thought it would be a fun thing to try. So let's go ahead and just open it on up out of its packaging, which is really cute by the way, just super nice happy pink. Oh, it's really soft. Whoa. Okay, that's kind of cool. So it's got two sides. This side is supposed to be, let me read what it says. So it says the insanely soft plush pink side contains special fibers that grab and deposit just the right amount of powder to set and bake makeup, and then the tan buffed suede side gently re-blends makeup so it looks incredibly smooth and seamless like you just applied it. So I'm assuming what that means is obviously this is supposed to be for baking, this pink side, and then I think this side is for like touch-ups later on. So I'm thinking I'll go ahead and apply my powder with this and then check in like 5-6 hours when my makeup usually starts to kind of look creasy and falling apart, and I'm gonna see how this does with touching that up. So that could be kind of a cool thing if it does work like that. So I went ahead and put my foundation and concealer on already, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Jeffree Star powder in beige. I really like this powder for setting makeup. Ooh. So it has two things. You could put your finger here, or it has like an actual slot in here. So I'm gonna put my finger through this slot, probably two, so I have better control. It's so cute. It is really soft, and this side is spongy, I guess. I don't know. But this side is really soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pick up some powder. I'm kind of just tapping it around in here now. So it kind of has that. Let me try to get the edges a little bit more. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm just tapping it around in the container so it will pick up the right amount of powder supposedly, so we'll see. So I've got the powder on there and I'm just gonna press that in. Ooh, it's fluffing up. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on to the other side. I really like the tip of this because it really pushes right into there. Okay, so we are baking now. I went ahead and did it down here too so that we can have like the sharpness and let this kind of do a little bit of contouring. So it worked really well for like, I kind of just like had swept it on there and that worked really well. And as I said, I really liked the shape going right up into underneath my eyes. But it was really like just fluffing everywhere. I mean, I had like powder all over here that I had to like just wipe off of my monitor, off of my phone. This powder is really fine, so it does like fluff up, but I feel like I've never had it like fluff up that much, so I don't know how to prevent that really. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Scott Barnes number 67 face brush and dust this in. Okay, somehow this little puff made that go on so smoothly. I just put on so much powder, you like saw me bake and everything, and it looks so smooth, almost airbrushed. This powder is a really good powder, so it already does such a good job on its own, but somehow this little puff just made it even better. I don't get it, I don't know. Like it really did just make everything look so smooth and airbrushed. So So far, I actually really like this. I wasn't really expecting that much from this, to be honest, because it's like how different could it be from taking a Beauty Blender and like kind of doing the same thing? And somehow it is different. It is somehow better. I can't explain it, but I like it. So in a few hours from now, around 5 or 6 hours from now, I'm gonna go ahead and see if this smooth side can help fix makeup when it gets like all broken apart and hours later, you know. So I will check back in later to give this side a test. So we are back, and it's been about 5.5 hours since I have used this Beauty Blender sponge to bake my face. And I must say, my foundation has looked really good every single time I've looked in the mirror today. I'm like surprised. Somehow this just has made my face makeup last so much longer. And like obviously baking does that in general, but I've baked before with just like a regular Beauty Blender and it's not the same. Like somehow this does better. I don't know what it is, but it has looked better. I do have a little bit of creasing in my smile lines and here, and there's a little bit of oiliness here and here. So I'm thinking that we'll use this side to try to remedy that, but honestly, I don't have much to really test for this side of the sponge because my face makeup has lasted so long considering it's been 5.5 hours. We are zoomed in. Let's go ahead and use the suede side to see what we can do about these lines. So let's go ahead and start. Man, they're like not even that bad, but whoa. Okay, what? So normally when I go in and try to fix these with like a makeup brush or a sponge, it will look a little bit cakey, like I've touched it. Not this. That, I'm just like lightly tapping on places that look just kind of weird and cakey, or not cakey, that look weird and oily, or just have like a weird line and stuff, and this is like working so well. Like I'm just like absorbing the oil on my nose right now. And it doesn't even look strange. This is crazy. Okay, let me do my forehead. What? I don't even know if this is something that you guys could really even tell on camera because these are such little things that I'm fixing. Like I would never even bother fixing these on their own because it was looking fine. But the smile lines I had here and here, the line that I had here, the oiliness on my nose, like it has just literally just from lightly tapping has like fixed everything. That is crazy. Honestly, my expectations were so low for this thing and I am like blown out of the water. Okay, so honestly, 10 out of 10 on this. I was not expecting this at all, but this is something that I will be using every day and for sure will be using on my wedding day. I just cannot believe how good this has done. I think this will be like the perfect thing too for any special events you have because it's so little. You could easily just slip this into your bag, escape off to the bathroom, and then just like quickly do little easy touch-ups. You don't need to bring like blotting sheets or anything. This does amazing. So that is the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of videos coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!